Hello students, in previous part we have discussed about some alkane, alkene and alkyne, मतलब different types of hydrocarbon and different types of covalent bonds. But in this part we will discuss some chemical formulae, means electron dot structure of some compound as well as why the carbon so many versatile nature. Firstly we will discuss, draw the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure and bond structure of carbon dioxide. Not only electron dot structure, also draw the structure of bond of carbon dioxide. Due to formation of electron dot structure of carbon dioxide, we know that in carbon dioxide, carbon is one atom, whereas oxygen contains two. So we can see that carbon has 4 valence electron and oxygen contains 6 valence electron. कार्बन के 4 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन हैं और ऑक्सीजन के 6, क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन 8th नंबर पे है, जिसमें फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, सेकंड ऑर्बिट में 6, तो ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. ऑक्सीजन कंटेन 6 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन. वन मोर एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, 2, 4 and 6. To satisfy this oxygen molecule, carbon share 2 electrons with the oxygen, and in this circle there are 8 electrons, 6 of carbon and 2 share from the carbon, 6 from oxygen and 2 from the carbon. Same 6 electrons, 6 valence electron of oxygen here and 2 from carbon. It also satisfied and it makes 8 number of electrons. But to satisfy the carbon share 2 electron with this atom of oxygen and 2 with this oxygen. Then carbon share 2 electrons of this oxygen atoms and 2 with this oxygen atom. And in this circle there are 2 to 4 and to 6 and to 8. This is the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide. This is the bond electron dot structure. This one is electron dot structure. If we draw the bond structure represent, or we can say that the base of bond structure is sharing of electron. We can see that there the carbon share 2 electron with this oxygen atom and 2 with this. It means carbon share 2 electrons each side with each atoms of oxygen. Carbon is C and O. Both side carbon share 2 electrons. The bond which is formed sharing of 2 electrons, that is called double covalent bond. So we can say that there are 2 double covalent bonds. This is the bond structure of carbon dioxide. So we can draw the electron dot structure and bond structure of carbon dioxide such like. One more question is, draw the electron and bond structure of sulfur molecule in which there are 8 atoms of sulfur. Bond and electron dot structure of sulfur molecule in which there are 8 atoms of sulfur. This is the question which is given in NCERT notebook in first box. Sulfur, draw the electron dot structure of sulfur in which 8 molecules of sulfur contained, and the structure will draw in a ring-like structure. It means sulfur represented by S. Sulfur is on 16th number. It means atomic number of sulfur is 16. Proton also 16, electron also 16, and neutron. Sulfur atomic number 16, atomic mass is 32. A stands for 32, and we know that to calculate the number of neutron, A minus Z. A stands for atomic number, atomic mass, and Z stand for atomic number. 32 minus 16, that is equal to 16. Number of neutron is also 16. Now electronic configuration, when we draw the electronic configuration of 16 electron according to Niels Bohr formula 2n square, we can see that in first orbit there are 2 electrons, second orbit 8 electrons, and there are 6 electrons in the outermost orbit. So we can see that in sulfur there are 6 valence electrons because the outermost orbit contains 6 electrons. Sulfur has 6 valence electron. 6 valence electron. So we draw only single sulfur. 6 valence electron means such this line 2 to 4 and to 6. But we have to take 8 molecules of sulfur, such 8 molecules of sulfur in a ring-like structure. So to draw the 8 molecule of sulfur electron dot structure, we draw the sulfur 8 molecule in a ring-like structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the S8 molecule of sulfur. Each sulfur contains 6 valence electron. It means this sulfur also contains 6 electron. This one also 6. This one also 6. Each atom of sulfur contains 6 valence electron. Thus, to draw the electron dot structure, we have to firstly draw the or represent the valence electron of sulfur. Clear? This sulfur, to satisfy itself, it share 2 electrons with the next sulfur molecule. And in this circle there are 8 electrons. This sulfur contains 6. ये आगे वाले से 2 ले लेगा, तो इसमें कितने हो गए 8. 6 खुद के, 2 इससे आगे शेयर कर लेंगे. इसी प्रकार से इसमें 6 हैं, ये आगे वाले से 2 शेयर कर लेंगे. 8, 6. It gains or it share with 2 electrons with the next sulfur atoms. It share 2 electrons with this sulfur, and this sulfur atoms with the next, and this one from these, and last it contains 6 electrons. It share with this type. So this is the S8 molecule electron dot structure. Electron dot structure of S8 molecule in a ring-like structure or in a ring. But when we draw bond structure, we can see that in S8 molecule, all the sulfur molecule S8 molecule bonded, we share 2 electrons. So we draw the bond structure 5, 6, 7, 8. Each sulfur atoms share 2 electrons with the next, so we can join with a double bond. This is the bond structure of S8 molecule. This structure is bond-like structure, and this one is the electron dot structure. But it was firstly or prescribed in the NCERT notebook, though you have to draw the electron dot structure of S8 molecule in a ring. So we draw the electron dot structure in a spherical structure or in a ring-like structure. Clear?